All right, your jobs, Mr. Phelps, if you decide to accept it, is to put this stupid thing together. All right, we're gonna do it. I gotta get it out of the car first. We're gonna take it in there and we're gonna put it together.
But that only came with that.
All right.
Or did it come with 2 of those and we didn't use them? It only came with 1?
Yeah.
Oh, wait. No, that's small. Well,
I don't know how much smaller that is.
a little. So there's only 1.
Don't go crazy with that knife.
All right, let's see this.
All right, so see what we got here. I do believe this isn't part of it, so I don't think we have to worry too much about that. Oh, it's already kind of put together.
Yeah, it shouldn't be a lot to do.
You hold those because I don't ever use anything like that. Oh, so this just all comes out of here like this. Wow. Look at that.
Oh, wow.
Oh my
Look at
God.
that.
All right, set it down because
So-
I gotta cut the box. You gotta cut the box.
What if you can get it out if you just pull it?
No, you can't. You're not looking at it from where we're looking at it. Trust me.
Oh, that looks cute and a little.
Oh.
You fucker.
All right, you ready? Here we go. We're just gonna flip this up. All right, you see that?
Yeah, so all we're gonna do is put.
All right,
legs
so wait a
on
minute.
the grill.
Does this come up? Oh, okay, good.
Okay,
all
where
right.
are the legs? Did you take out a package of something?
No, I didn't take anything out.
There's no legs, right?
You didn't take anything out?
No. All right, so this is
Wait,
gonna go.
where are the legs?
Relax for a second.
Are they in here maybe?
Hang on, we're gonna figure it out.
Hardware and legs inside. Okay, good.
So that's gonna go like that.
Yeah.
So we'll set it down. Okay,
So let's put this here before we put the legs on.
hold
We'll
on
spend
just
the
a
time.
second. Hold on. Let me see if it's in frame. Okay, now we're in frame. Let's go ahead. Let's put it all together and then we'll set it up. I mean, because I think shit's gonna work.
I don't know if it's too deep. But that's all right.
Here's the legs. Let's zip this back up.
Where was this from?
Walmart. It was just there, sitting there today.
Okay.
Only one of them.
Did you sit on that?
What?
Did you sit on it?
No, it's just this, just like this in a box.
Ugh.
And guess how much it was?
It was expensive. It's like $500.
Under 50?
But
$124.
I said she's
It was
worth
what?
it.
124.
It was 124. Where did we get those black?
Right there.
You know what I'm talking about?
Chairs?
You remember the black
Okay.
couches we had upstairs?
Oh yeah.
Where are those from?
I don't know.
So these I think are gonna go here. Yeah.
Yeah.
And these are gonna
Yeah.
go in here. I just have to screw them in.
Yeah. You're all in frame.
So we're just screwing these babies in. Pretty simple. I could probably do two at a time. Check me out. Am I in frame?
Oh, are you gluing the
Yes.
curtain? Are you gluing the curtain down?
What?
What are you gluing?
I'm gonna fill the holes with this.
Oh. Where are you gonna plug it in?
Right here. All it has to do is heat up.
And let me show you these.
Oh,
I
yeah.
just-
So check it out. Look. So there's all we do is screw them into these little holes. It's no big deal. It's pretty simple. But you got to get this off of here first, which is a pain in the butt. I don't know why they got them on there so tight. Oh, that one came off. All right. So here, you'll see there's a little screw hole. Screw a hole there. Bam. Bob's your uncle. You just stick it in there. Right there. Just like that. Look how fast this goes together. All right, I'm gonna give you a closer look down here at this one here. So let me just zoom in on it so you can see it. You see the hole there? That's where it's going in. So I'm just gonna get her in there. Make sure that I'm not in the way. Spin her around. And almost there. Bam, done. All right, let's get over here so you guys can get a better look at what we're doing in the middle. All right, so check it out.
Really get the couch for you.
So if you look, I've got to, let me do it up here. I'll show you on this one. So if you see this right here, there's 2 holes in there. So this comes with, check it out, comes with a Allen wrench, and then we've got these bolts, which have Allen wrench heads on them. We're gonna need 2 of them for each one of these things. All right, so here we are, right? And here we go. I'm gonna go over here, I'm gonna put these in. That's Madison laughing in the background. And that goes right in there like that.
Sorry, it's not funny. I don't know why you did that.
What?
And then this
Sorry,
one
it's not funny. I don't know why you did
goes
that.
in there.
Yeah. So
You just gotta get them started.
I won a bet with the game with my friends, but in order for me to win $1,000, I have to go to Olive Garden, which I've never been to.
You have to what?
In order for me to win $1,000 for the bet, I have to go to Olive Garden, which I've never been to, and I've always strongly objected about going to because I think it's a trash restaurant.
They're great. Olive Garden's got endless breadsticks. What are you
And
talking
I have to
about?
get breadsticks and the salad
All right, looking
and
good.
some other meal, and take a photo of me smiling while the food is there, and that has to be evidence, and that's how I get $1,000. So can we go to Olive Garden at some point? I've never wanted to go. Have you ever been?
I used to go there all the time.
I don't think we've ever been.
After karate, we would go.
We went to Macaroni Grill, but that's about the extent of an Olive Garden. You and I went to Macaroni Grill, but I don't think we've ever been to an Olive Garden.
I think we've been there once, maybe twice, long time ago.
There's no way. I don't even remember.
Ow.
So, like Quinn said, all that matters is what the frame is. Would you say this is a wooden frame, Tommy?
I would say it's something.
It
I don't
is.
know if it's wood. Could be like a press board. All right, let's
Is it
do
really
this one.
thin, or do you think it's a comfortable to sit on the couch?
It's gonna be awesome. You're gonna love it. You are gonna absolutely love this couch because number one, your mom got it for you,
It
and
looks like it's really cute,
she loves you
it's
so
very
much.
cute.
but it
Yeah.
definitely needs arm sides to be like totally comfortable. That's why I thought if Quinn could make something easy enough, and then you put pillows there, it would be
Right.
comfortable.
Trying to get it started with my
It's a little
fingers.
bit deeper than we planned.
Deeper, like
It's
bigger?
32 inches wide.
Oh, yeah. I don't know where I'll.
But it's okay, cause you have,
Where do I put the table?
huh?
Where do I put the table?
What?
Where do I put the table?
In front of it, unless it's too big. You get something skinnier, but I don't know. We'll just have to see. We'll have to see. If someone would hurry up.
Almost got it done. I just gotta put the bolts in. Oh shit. Oof. Gotta get this one in, but I gotta. This one does not want to go in. There we go. All right, we're getting there. Inch by inch, step by step. You know what I mean, jelly beans? This thing does not want to go in, does it? It's on my beach. Ugh.
There might be one in your tool
Huh?
bag.
What?
There might be one in your tool bag.
There should be, yeah.
What do you do? When I measured that TV and I looked at a couple of those things, put on the
Yeah.
wall, yeah. I can get one for like about $40. And it
Really?
comes out, and it tilts, it does
So
everything.
this is cement?
Yeah,
Okay.
which is a much better thing to put in it
Yeah.
than like drywall. I mean, you'd have to put it in drywall,
Did
the
Nana get
studs.
the video I sent her?
What?
Did Nana get the video I sent her?
I don't know.
She
I
never.
haven't talked to her in the last few hours.
It was
We're almost
funny.
there.
Freezing.
It's not. The air keeps doing that thing where it changes. Like it's cool in here now. The air keeps doing the thing where it
Cool in here 'cause
changes.
you make it cool.
No, I've left it at 74. It's cool in here now, but it was warm earlier, and I haven't touched it. But also.
All right, I think I'm good. I think we're good. Good.
Look at this.
All right, so now let's pull back and see what we got going here. Check it out. Let's double check our things. Make sure they're nice and tight. Okay. That baby's on there. Put these over here. Twist them on. Twist them up. Yeah, now we're talking. All right, I think we're good. Now we can go ahead and set it there and see what we think. To see if I'm gonna have to take it all apart. Because you guys want to send it back. All right. So I do believe that this is the back of it here, right? So that's got to go towards that way. We're gonna twist this here. All right, here we go.
How about I'll slide this and then I'll help you so it's not torqued.
What are you trying to do?
I'm trying to pull the box out, but you're standing on it, so I can't get it.
Yeah. Wait a minute, don't stand here. Okay, pull it out.
So
Pull the box out.
which is the back, which is the front? Oh, so that's the back.
Yeah, just get the box out of there.
I am, I'm trying.
Without knocking over the camera. All right, I'm gonna need you now.
Yeah, move
There
the
you
box out of the way.
All right, now I need you to check the camera and see if we're in frame. See if we're in frame.
You're in frame.
Are we looking good?
Yep.
Okay, so this is gonna set right there, so I gotta go a little bit more forward.
Actually, it almost looks like it's gonna be perfect.
Oh yeah, it's a perfect color. I mean, this is exactly, this is something Quinn would put in his house. Oh, my foot.
Oh my gosh.
All right, so the reason that,
So it
bring it up.
So it has to come all the way up.
Yeah,
Oh,
now
I
we
see
just
why.
bring it
Let's
back.
move this way. Move this out of the way. So it still has to be back, to there. So that's okay, actually.
Let's check it out. Yeah, damn it. That looks cool. All right, now let's put the table in front of it and see what we
Wait a
think.
minute, wait a minute. Let's see.
What do you think?
Okay, so it's
Hey,
hard.
honey, keep your legs crossed. For God's sake, people can see.
It's hard, but I don't know I don't know. I mean, it's just a place to sit.
Oh, yeah, it's good.
I don't ever. If you say it's good, that means that I don't trust anything
Oh.
else says.
This is it, man. This is happening.
No one's gonna slowly.
Whew.
fall.
You just need some pillows.
Yeah.
Move.
If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I make stuff for Madison.
I mean, you can actually just put, it's fine.
That makes you lean forward if you have that pillow there.
Do you like it?
No, we can get something else.
I gotta get up, little girl.
Well, I gotta say, it goes with the theme. Everything is good color. I think it looks good.
Let's put the table here and see.
All right, let's do the table. Hang on.
Table's a little wide, but,
Here, I got it.
okay.
That's because I'm.
No, it's fine, it all fits on there.
Yeah, that's
Wow.
perfect.
So this can be scooted down more.
Yeah, but then I can't move my. I need to make sure I do because
I think it looks good.
You do. It's not in the way, it's the carpet is still.
You can move it a couple more inches, but I think that's gonna work.
Here. It's fine for a seat.
What do you girls think of the new couch?
All you need is like a seat. I think it's fine, and it's cute.
It looks good. I mean, it matches everything. Look,
it's really good.
it matches the cat. Here I am with Madison on our new couch. What do you think, Madison?
That you're making me dizzy.
I think it's gonna work.